In this Argos support video, we will show you how to carry out simple routine checks on your sofas and armchairs to help keep them safe, supportive, and looking their best for longer. Sofas and armchairs are used every day, so performing a quick inspection every few months can help you spot early signs of wear and prevent small issues from becoming bigger problems. Firstly, check the stability and balance of your furniture. Gently rock the sofa or chair from side to side and front to back. It should feel solid and balanced on the floor. If you notice any wobbling, this could indicate loose fixings or uneven legs. Where accessible, tighten any screws or bolts in line with your assembly instructions. Keeping fixings secure helps maintain both safety and durability. Next, inspect the legs and feet. The legs and feet support the full weight of the furniture, so ensure each leg is firmly attached and not cracked, bent, or damaged. Make sure all feet sit evenly on the floor. If needed, carefully reposition the furniture to ensure it is level. Now examine the arms, backrests, and frame. Apply gentle pressure to the arms and backrests to check they feel firm and secure. Listen for any unusual creaking or excessive movement. While some natural movement can occur with regular use, excessive shifting may suggest loose internal fixings. Identifying this early can help prevent further wear. Always refer to your user manual. Next, check the seat support, cushions, and padding. Sit on different areas of the sofa or chair to assess the level of comfort and support. The seat should feel even across the surface. If you notice sagging, dips, or uneven firmness, this may indicate that internal supports, springs, and padding may require attention. If your cushions are removable, plump and rotate them regularly to encourage even wear and help maintain their shape. Check for flattening, lumps, or damage to the inner padding. Plump and push even surfaces to flatten the padding inside. After cleaning or use, always replace cushions correctly to avoid uneven pressure on certain areas. Next, look over the upholstery and stitching. Examine fabric or leather surfaces for signs of wear, thinning, or fading. Pay particular attention to seams and stitching around seat edges and armrests. Loose threads or small seam splits should be addressed promptly to prevent further damage. For leather furniture, check for dryness or cracking and use suitable care products as recommended in your product guidelines. Regular cleaning also plays an important role in maintenance. Vacuum fabric upholstery to remove dust and debris and wipe down leather surfaces using appropriate cleaning products. Avoid placing sofas and chairs in direct sunlight or close to radiators and other heat sources, as prolonged exposure can cause fading, drying, or warping. Carrying out routine maintenance will help extend the life of your furniture and ensure it remains safe and comfortable for everyday use. For further support, please visit argos-support.co.uk.